Triglyceride storage and mobilization. Storage of triglycerol is an adipocyte fatty acid stored primarily as triglycerol. Triglycerol is hydrolyzed to release fatty acids when needed. As you can see in this picture, we have a picture of adipocytes which has cytosol, cell nucleus, and this yellow picture in here inside is the large central globules of triglycerol. So, what is an adipocyte? An adipocyte is a triglycerol storing cell, and an adipose tissue contains large number of adipocytes. Adipocytes are found mostly in the abdominal cavity, which is located in the body is the stomach, and subcutaneous tissues. So we have a picture here of the adipose tissues and the adipocytes, these white adipose cells. Adipose tissue functions storage location for energy, insulator against heat loss, provides organs against physical attack. So it's like an we have this as an energy storage, insulator against heat loss, and impact against physical uh, provides shock like an shock absorber in physical shock. Triglycerol mobilization. Mobilization is the hydrolysis of tags stored in adipose tissue, followed by the release into the bloodstream of fatty acids and glycerol produced. You can see a picture here. Triglycerol or tags hydrolysis. Lipase catalyzes enzymatic hydrolysis of tags to yield fatty and glycerol. So we have triglycerol is lipase to diglycerol to monoglycerol. Overall process of tapping the body's triglycerol energy reserve or energy is called triglycerol mobilization. As you can see in the picture, this is what happens in the make of fatty acids and glycerol. We have high level of epinephrine and attached to it is the receptor sites which the receptor sites is also attached to the cell membrane. Thus, it will trigger adenyl cyclase and stimulate the production of cyclic adenosine monophosphate. So we have it's attached and adenyl cyclase triggers the CAMP with the help of adenotriphosphate. The CAMP triggers the highly sensitive lipase, which is HSL. Now you will have now we will have to activate form of high density lipase phosphate, which is HCl, that causes to cleavage. When we say cleavage, it means to cut or splitting. So when triglycerol is in cleavage turns to cleavage, which turns into fatty acid, there will be a release in the bloodstream of fatty acids and glycerol. So the cleavage here will start at triglycerol, and forms fatty acids and triglycerol, then goes out into the bloodstream. Uh, Fatty acids occurs outside the bloodstream's flow. So that is how hormonal interaction and enzymatic reaction inside the adipose tissue will tap the energy source of tags. Next, stored energy reserve of various type for average person 70 kilograms. Have type of energy reserve triglycerol, protein, glycogen, blood, glucose, and the amount of stored energy is 135,000 kcal, 24,000 kcal, 720 kcal, 80 kcal. Percent total stored energy is 84%. And C is the triglycerol has more stored energy than protein is 15%. percent, glycogen is 0.45, and blood glucose is zero point 0.5. Question game, multiple choice. In this game, we will be giving a few seconds to answer for 10 seconds. A few seconds, which specific is 10 seconds. The big question is triglycerol storing cell. So what is triglycerol storing cell? A. Epinephrine. B. Fatty acid. C. Adipocyte. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number 2 question is overall process of tapping the body's triglycerol energy reserve for energy is called A. Triglycerol mobilization. B. Hydrolysis. C. Fatty acids. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And time's up. Get ready for the answer. Answer is adipocyte glycerol. Number 1 is C. Adipocytes. Number 2 is